5 factors which makes a native app best fit for business. It's 2021 and the whole mobile world lay under the cloud of 2 platforms, Android and iOS. It's cost efficient, which makes any business save a lot of money to spend, to hire more developers to work on separate app development for cross-platforms iOS and Android. It's time-saving also because the time development team needs to develop a single app for both platforms, and which also needs more resources such as iOS developers and Android developers. Here we are unleashing some prominent facts about native app development for iOS and Android. The reason why we called individual platforms app native is the look and feel of the user interface. 5 factors for native app. Identify the users. User experience UX UI. Not capped by budget. High-end integration. Uploads and updates. Identify the users. If you run a business that includes student things such as attendance, roll number, and all basic stuff about your institute, then you must choose a native Android app for your business. Because you should know that students generally prefer to keep Android smartphones or tablets rather than iOS. So in this segment, you don't need to own a hybrid app or cross-platform app. User experience UX UI. The main reason for choosing a native app is the rich UI UX, which fascinates the user more than everything else when it comes to mobile. When the developer team designs an app either for Android or iOS, they must assure about the design. The design and interface for an app should be ultra smooth and also contain a rich user interface. Not capped by budget. If you are the one who is not capped by budget to spend on separate apps for their business, then you should choose native apps for both platforms, that is iOS Android, because the price you're going to pay for both is more than hybrid apps. But native apps have their pros in terms of business growth. High-end integration. If you are running a business and want to have an app that requires an end-to-end integration of various technical elements such as geological, payments gateway, calling, video calling and maps, GPS, etc., then you must go for a native app. These all factors are the most critical part of any app, as it contains the security of the user database and privacy terms also included in it. Then you can't risk it all just for your little sake of money. Uploads and updates. If you are worried about the uploading and updating of your business app, then you should go for native, that is iOS and Android apps. Making a good app is easy, but tempting users to use that app is still a tough task now, as there is a requirement to upload that app on the Play Store and App Store for public use is easy. Conclusion. Also, the updates of the app become important, such as games and chat apps, because not every app is perfect in its initial days. It requires time-to-time updates, security and bug fixes once in a while. So having said that, these mentioned are the major factors you should go through when choosing an app for business purposes. Some are still arguing on the fact that reacting is best. If you want an app for both platforms, then why go get an individual app? It depends and varies from person to person what are their requirements and needs, which fulfill all the priorities. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates, and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for more videos by Engineer Master Solutions. Thanks for watching.